Geometrical isomerism part 2 here. EZ system. E means antigen when high priority groups are opposite side. It's similar to trans. Similar to trans. Z means Jusaman when high priority groups are same side. It is similar to cis. Okay. So easy method is Z. Z for Johnny, friend. Friends means same side hota hai. E for enemy, opposite side. If you remember just like this, it is just a trick. If you know perfectly E means opposite means Z obviously same side. Okay, EZ nomenclature. One is same side, one is opposite side. E for enemy, opposite side. That's better to remember. Now the question is, what are this higher priority and lower priority? See, first of all, you are giving the priorities. If higher priority groups are in opposite direction, then that is generally trans type. But here we are giving the nomenclature different, that is E. Okay, trans when we are giving if same groups are there. If same groups are in opposite direction, then trans. But here two different groups are there, but preference is there. So what is that preference we will discuss? See, priority rules. These priority rules are as follows. The priority is proportional to the atomic number. Okay, higher atomic number will get number 1, lower atomic number get second preference. Atom which is directly attached to the sp2 carbon. See here, directly attached carbons. See, sp2 carbon means this one. This sp2 carbon attached bromine and iodine is there. Iodine atomic number is higher, so higher preference group. Fluorine and chlorine में chlorine is higher preference group. Now these higher preference groups are on same side, then that is called Z. Okay, here higher preference groups are in opposite direction, so that is E. Okay, you can see here same higher preference is opposite is there, that is E. E for enemy jaisa. Lower preference is same side, so Z. Okay, now some examples. If rule 1 is failed, then consider the next atom. Suppose if same atoms are there, then you have to go for the next atom. Just like in the dictionary, how you will see, if same letter is there, you will go for the next letter. Okay, here preference, carbon is there, here also carbon is there. Next, here 2 carbons are there, here 3 carbons are there. So higher preference this one. Okay, atomic number. Here fluorine and carbon, obviously fluorine is atomic number higher than the carbon, right? So which is higher and higher, both are same side is there, higher and higher, so it is Z. Okay, now if multiple bonds are there, C double bond C, multiple bonds are there, we have to consider this carbon means here number 1 I am writing, here number 1, this first carbon is connected with, generally here pi bond means 2 bonds are there with carbon. So here are same, we have to consider 2 carbons are attached. 2 carbons are attached, like that we have to think. We have to consider like that. The first carbon is connected with one more carbon by 2 bonds. So while we are giving the preference, we have to consider this first carbon or star carbon is connected to different carbons. We had to take the preference like that. As well, this carbon is connected with one more carbon. This is connected with one more carbon. This is the preference. Okay. In the examples, you will get it easy. Okay. Try to understand. So if 3 bonds are there, one carbon, this star carbon is connected with dot carbon. This is the star carbon connected with dot carbon, single bond. And 2 more bonds are there, means 2 more carbons are connected, like that we had to assume, right? So this dot carbon, okay, this dot carbon directly attached to star, it's okay. Next, this dot carbon connected with two more carbons. Okay, we have to think like that. This carbon is connected with two more carbons. Two more carbons. Understood? What is these carbons? Again, these are the star carbons only. Okay, preference is like this. Now, see here, carbon and nitrogen. Obviously, no need to count all. First atom is there, nitrogen is there, so higher preference. Done. Carbon is there, carbon is there. Oxygen is there, oxygen is there. Here only H is there, here OH is there. So higher preference. Right? So now higher preference and higher preference, same side, so Z. So this is the preference. Atomic number bromine, then chlorine, OH, NH2, COH. How it is given? Based on the atomic number, that's only. Here, if isotopes are there, then consider the atomic weight. Okay, hydrogen is there and deuterium is there. Hydrogen 1H1, deuterium is 1H2. Mass is higher, so higher preference. Carbon, carbon same. This carbon attached to next one more carbon, right? This carbon attached to next one more carbon. Here, this carbon attached to only hydrogens. So obviously, this carbon getting higher preference. This carbon means here this total group is getting higher preference, right? Next, methyl chlorine. Chlorine obviously higher atomic number. Hydrogen and methyl. Methyl is higher preference. High and high, same side Z. Okay. Here methyl is higher preference. Chlorine is higher preference. Opposite. So enemy. Z. E. E for enemies. When same carbon CH2 and C, but this carbon is connected with three times carbon. This carbon connected with only one time carbons. So obviously higher preference this one. Carbon and carbon TK. Next it is connected with chlorine. It is connected with oxygen. So obviously we have to give the preference chlorine. Don't do any sum. Okay. Don't do sum. Okay. Now carbon is there, carbon. Next oxygen is there. Here chlorine is there. Chlorine atomic number is higher. That's enough. So higher preference, higher preference, higher preference, opposite. So E. Now carbon, carbon. This carbon connected with three more carbons. This carbon connected with nitrogen. So nitrogen means obviously we have to give the higher preference, right? Now here this carbon is connected with three bromines. Here connected with only one iodine. Okay, we don't do the sum. Just iodine is atomic number is higher. So here nitrogen is higher. Here iodine is high priority. So high priorities are opposite sides. So E. Okay, don't do sum. Only atomic number. At least one atom is there. Okay, it's okay. No problem. Right? EZ nomenclature means like this we have to give. And some more examples I will give you. Methyl, ethyl, CH3 and CH3 nahi hai, C3H7, then hydrogen. So here carbon is there, so obviously it is the first preference, it is the second preference. So here only one carbon is there, here two carbons are there. So obviously two carbon means C. You have to write this one like CH2CH3. then it will be clear. So here only one carbon is there, this carbon attached to 3 hydrogens, but here carbon attached to one more carbon. So first preference, then second preference, one is opposite, so E. Right? I will give some example. You try to solve this. COOH, CHO, then C. Right. Now OH. Very good. Good question it is. Then see, if you solve these two questions, maximum your concepts will be clear, right? See, give the preference here. Carbon is there, carbon is there. Here two oxygens, here only one oxygen is there. So obviously this one is a higher preference, this is the second preference. Here carbon is there, here oxygen is there. Don't go for the next atom. Direct attached oxygen is there. So first preference is this one. Okay, here it is second preference. If same atoms are there, then you go for the next preference. Okay, here first only we decided. So 1 E. Right? Next here, see here, while your preference giving, you had to take one carbon first, then next carbon. Don't give the preference here one, here two. Okay, we are giving any one sp2 carbon first, then another sp2 carbon. Individually we have to give. Okay, here directly attached oxygen is there. So this is number 1. Here directly attached carbon is there. So oxygen and carbon atomic number is low. That's number 2 preference. Here directly attached nitrogen is there, higher preference. Here low preference 2. So 1 same side is there, that is Z. Right? And two more example I will give you. It's over. Next. Now these questions enough. Now see here, this is the sp2 carbon. Here this carbon is connected with one more carbon, but this carbon is connected with two more carbons. So obviously number 1 here, number 2 here. Now this carbon is connected with, here also carbon is there, but this carbon connected with oxygen, this carbon connected with nitrogen. So oxygen is more preference, means number 1 and number 2, right? So 1 same side is there, Z. Now COOH, if you take this one, this carbon is connected with one more carbon. This carbon is connected with nitrogen directly. So number 1, don't go for the next, right? Next here, this carbon, carbon C double bond C, here C and C, single bond C. It is nothing but this carbon is connected with two more carbons, because two times bond is there, that means two carbons. Are you getting? This star carbon connected with two carbons. Actually तो एक ही carbon है, but two bonds are there, that's why we have to consider two times. Okay, एक carbon को हम दो बार गिनना है, ठीक है? Here only one carbon is there. So right, now which is the more preference? Yeah, this is the first preference, this is the second preference. So 1 opposite is there, that is E, right? So you can do extra question from the material. Then if you have any doubt, you can ask.